Now, why does mental strength matter so much in today's world? Well, think about it. We live in a fast-paced, ever-changing society where stress and uncertainty abound. In such times, having a strong mind is like having a sturdy ship in a stormy sea. It helps you navigate through rough waters with grace and poise. Enter Buddhism, a philosophy that has long offered profound insights into the nature of suffering and the human condition. By understanding Buddhist concepts like dukkha, suffering, and the Four Noble Truths, we gain a deeper appreciation for the challenges we face and the paths to overcoming them. So, dear viewer, if you've ever felt like life's challenges are weighing you down, if you've yearned for a sense of inner strength and peace, then this video is for you. Together, we'll delve into the timeless teachings of Buddhism and uncover the secrets to building mental fortitude in an ever-changing world. Stay tuned as we journey through the depths of the mind, exploring mindfulness, taming the unruly monkey mind, cultivating emotional intelligence, and embracing the wisdom of impermanence. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools and profound insights to help you become mentally strong and resilient. Be with us during this journey. So, grab a cup of tea, find a cozy spot, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Remember, the path to mental strength begins with a single step, and I'm here to walk with you every step of the way. Now let's delve into the path to mental strength, where we'll explore key teachings and practices from Buddhism that can empower you on your journey. First up, we have mindfulness, a cornerstone of Buddhist practice. Mindfulness is all about being fully present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. By cultivating mindfulness, we can calm the chaotic chatter of the mind and gain profound self-awareness. So, how can you practice mindfulness in your daily life? Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for meditation. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus your attention on your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale, and whenever your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the breath. You can also incorporate mindfulness into everyday activities, like eating or walking, by paying close attention to the sensations and thoughts that arise. Next, let's talk about taming the mind, a task easier said than done, especially in our fast-paced world. Buddhists often refer to the mind as the monkey mind, constantly jumping from one thought to another. Through meditation and mindfulness practices, we can learn to quiet the restless mind and cultivate inner peace. By observing our thoughts without attachment or judgment, we can train the mind to be more focused and resilient. Now, let's turn our attention to emotional intelligence, an essential aspect of mental strength. Buddhism offers profound insights into the nature of emotions and how to manage them effectively. By understanding the root causes of our emotions and practicing compassion and empathy, we can cultivate emotional balance and harmony. Finally, let's explore the concept of acceptance and letting go, a cornerstone of Buddhist philosophy. The Buddha taught that all things are impermanent, constantly changing and evolving. By embracing this truth and letting go of our attachments to the past or future, we can find freedom and peace of mind. Accepting change and uncertainty can be challenging, but it's essential for building mental strength and resilience. So, dear friend, as you embark on your journey to mental strength, remember to cultivate mindfulness, tame the unruly monkey mind, nurture emotional intelligence, and embrace the wisdom of impermanence. By incorporating these teachings into your daily life, you'll discover a profound sense of inner peace and resilience. As we continue our journey toward mental strength, we encounter a crucial teaching: letting go of attachments and negative thoughts. But what does it truly mean to let go? How can we release the grip of our desires and fears, allowing ourselves to embrace the present moment fully? Join me as we explore this profound concept and uncover the transformative power of letting go. Moving forward, let's delve into the realm of compassion, a fundamental principle in Buddhism and a key ingredient in the recipe for mental well-being. We'll discover how cultivating self-compassion and extending compassion to others can nurture our inner resilience and bring greater harmony into our lives. But wait, our journey doesn't end there. In our quest for mental strength, we must confront the challenges that life inevitably throws our way. How do we weather the storms of adversity with grace and fortitude? Through the timeless teachings of Buddhism, we'll uncover the secrets of resilience, learning how to turn obstacles into opportunities and emerge stronger than ever before. And finally, as we near the end of our journey, we'll explore the importance of setting intentions and goals. By aligning our actions with our deepest values and aspirations, we can cultivate clarity of purpose and ignite the fire of motivation within us. Together, we'll unlock the power of goal setting and discover how it can propel us toward greater mental focus and fulfillment. But for now, dear traveller, let us pause and reflect on the cliffhanger before us. How will we navigate the path of letting go? What treasures await us on the other side of attachment and negativity? Join me as we unravel these mysteries and continue our quest for mental strength. Now let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the exciting phase of putting these transformative Buddhist teachings into action. It's time to infuse our daily lives with mindfulness, compassion, resilience, and purpose, paving the way for a brighter, more empowered future. Firstly, let's explore practical tips for seamlessly integrating these teachings into our everyday routines. From morning meditation sessions to mindful moments throughout the day, we'll uncover simple yet effective strategies for nurturing our mental strength and inner peace. But why stop there? In our digital age, a wealth of resources is at our fingertips, ready to support us on our journey. Let's take a moment to explore books, meditation apps, and online communities that can provide additional guidance and inspiration along the way. Now, as we reach the conclusion of our journey, let's pause to reflect on the key takeaways we've uncovered. Through mindfulness, compassion, resilience, and goal setting, we've discovered the path to true mental strength, a path illuminated by the timeless wisdom of Buddhist teachings. And so, my fellow travellers, I leave you with this final message. May you walk boldly along the path of inner peace and fulfillment, embracing each moment with courage and compassion. Remember, the journey to mental strength is not a sprint, but a marathon. A journey of self-discovery and growth that unfolds one step at a time. Before we part ways, I urge you to take action and join our community of seekers on the mindful tranquility. Hit the like button, subscribe for more enlightening content, and share this video with those who seek inner strength. Explore our channel for additional guidance on mindfulness, meditation, and the journey to self-discovery. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey. Your support means the world to us,